እስካሁን ባለው በተለያየ ቀን ውስጥ እስከ 8 ሰዓት አካባቢ ወስዶብኛል። እንዴት ናችሁ? በያላችሁ በሰላምታ ይድረሳችሁ። ያው ትንሽ ጀምሬዋለሁ። ሌላ ከዚህ በኋላ ጨምረው ስላለ ጊዜ እንዳይወስድብኝ ለዛ ነው ቀድሜ እንትን ያልኩት ሪከርድ። ጉድጓዶቹ ዛሬ ዝናብ ስላልጣለ እንደዚህ ትንሽ ደርቀው እንዳለ ልቀንስባቸው ብዬ ትንሽ ሂደቱን አሳያችኋለሁ።
This ain't you, bro. This ain't you. You weren't born like this.
You won't die, and if you do die, you won't care, because you'll be dead. Best case, you win. Worst case, it won't matter.
There's no luck in this game, man. It may be a little bit of luck, but the luck happens after you bust your ass and you put yourself in that lucky situation. Luck doesn't happen. You put yourself in that situation where luck might fucking happen. And that's what people don't know.
If you believe it, if you really believe that you could be something, if you have that little voice in your head saying, hey, you got talent, you could do this, then follow that voice.
Fuck your motivation. Fuck your motivation. You need discipline because motivation's not there every day.
አናፈሩ በዚህኛው በኩልና በዚህኛው ነው የሚገባው። ስለዚህ እዛ ላይ ትልቅ ድንጋይ ማድረግ አለብን። ብዙ ጊዜ በሁለቱ ሳይድ ነው የሚገባው። እንዳይመጣ ድንጋዩ ቢያንስ ካለ ይዘዋል አይ ቲንክ ብዬ አስባለሁ። ድንጋዮቹን ለማውጣት ሞክረናል። ገና አሁን መቆፈር ነው።
I'm missing motivation most days.
Wow,
Some
really?
days, yeah, sometimes I got motivation. Some days I'm like, fuck yeah, today I felt good. I can't wait to get to the gym. But a lot of days like, gotta get to the gym. And then once I get going, then I feel great.
Yeah.
And I feel great when it's over. But it's that beginning part that's hard because your body wants to stay comfortable. Your body will trick you like, man, today you should take the day off, Theo. You don't feel good. Theo, what did you get, like 6 hours sleep last night? That's not enough.
It's so easy to be great nowadays, my friend, because most people are weak. Most people don't want to go to that extra mile. Most people don't want to find that extra because it sucks. It's miserable. It's lonely.
It's easy to give up. You know,
Hell
it's
yeah.
easy. It's the easiest thing in the world to do. I'm done. I ain't going.
Oh, yeah.
I ain't gonna keep going.
Yeah,
I don't feel like going to work.
The
I'm
one,
done.
yeah, man.
It's easy.
የባለፈው ላይ ቆየት ብዬ ነበር ወደ ማታ አካባቢ ነበር እንትን ያደረኩት። አሁን ግን ቀጣይ ሳምንት ሜቢ ላይ መቼ ስለሚችል በጅምሩ እንዳልተው ዛሬ ያው በጠዋት ተነስቼ ነው እንትን ለማለት የፈለኩት ለመጨረስ የፈለኩት። ቪዲዮ ላይ ታዩታላችሁ ብዬ አስባለሁ። የባለፈው ያቆምኩበት ላይ ትንሽ ላሳያችሁ። ትንሽ ልጅ ነው እቺኛዋ መጀመሪያ ነበረች። ሞልታው ስለሆነ እንደዚህ የምትመጣው ድንጋይ ነው ከታች አልገባሁበትም በደንብ። ይሄኛው ግን ትንሽ ያስኬደኛል ወደ ታችና ያንን ማረግ። ከዛ ድንጋይም ወደ ላይ ያወጣቸው ነበር። የሚወጣ ካለ ወደ ላይ ይወጣል። ከዛ ውጭ ግን ትላልቅ ድንጋይ ያስፈልገዋል እንዳይወርድ መልሶ፣ ካልሆነ መልሶ ይሞላል። ያንን ማረገው። ስለዚህ መሻችሁ
How bad do you want this? If it's as bad as you want to live or breathe or sleep, whatever the hell it may be, I can work with you. But a lot of people, most people don't want it that badly, which is why they always ask the question, man, how did you get to where you are? You know how to do it. You know exactly how to be you or how to be me. You don't want to do it.
Like, I want to see what you do when you're tired. Let me see how you push yourself. Come on, man. Get up. Get up again tomorrow. Get up again tomorrow. Get up again tomorrow. The next day. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Keep going. How long can you maintain a positive attitude?
There's no hacks, bro. It's you against you. You against you. And if you misunderstand that, you have a real problem. You wake up, right to work. Immediately your mind is in action. No one wants to do that. No one. And I don't blame them. But don't be mad. When you're laying there in your fucking bed and you're in the fucking hospital and you're 70, 80, 90 years old, you're thinking, man, I feel like I didn't fucking do something. Because you did. You didn't do it. You didn't do shit. You may have lived a great life, man, but you're always going to feel empty inside. I don't feel empty.
ያደክማል። እንዳሰብኩት አይደለም ጊዜው የሚወስደው። እኔው ከሰዓት ይመስላል። አያት ለትነብታፈጥዛ ኦኬ ሰው ቀጥሏል። ፒስ ሰው ከሰዓት ነው ይሄ። ከሰዓት ላይ ዝናብ ጥሎ ነበረ ትንሽና እስካሁን ባለው በተለያየ ቀን ውስጥ ከ8 ሰዓት አካባቢ ወስዶብኛል። ትንሽ ጊዜ ነገር ይወስዳልና ባለፈውም ብያችሁ ነበረ በዛኛው ቪዲዮ ከዚህ በፊት ነበረ ማለት ነው። ሰው እዚህ ጋር አይ ቲንክ ትንሽ ይቀረኛል። እቺን ነው የምጨርሰው።
The life you want is on the other side of a few hard conversations, and you're living a life you hate because you're too afraid to have them.
I think about that a lot.
Hard times create hard men. Hard men create soft times. Soft times create soft men. Soft men create hard times. We are now around soft men and hard times.
There's a moment when every boy realizes no one's coming to save him. And that's when he becomes a man. And some boys never get there and stay children forever.
You should be a monster. He said you should be a monster, you should be ruthlessly ambitious, and then learn how to control it. And it's that old expression, it's better to be a warrior in a garden than a gardener in a war.
Don't care how good you are in anything, you don't have discipline, you ain't nobody.
Right.
You're nothing without discipline, because you give up under the slightest struggle without discipline.
100%.
Told me discipline is doing what you hate to do, but do it like you love it.
እስካሁን ከሰራኋቸው ውስጥ
Doing what you hate to do, but do it like you love it.
ትንሽ አድካሚና ጊዜ ወሳጅ የሆነ ይሄ ነው። ድንጋይ ነበረ ውስጡ ላይ አብሮት ከአፈሩ ጋር ሰው ድንጋይና አፈሩ መለያየት ነበረብኝ። ከታች አሁን ድንጋይ ሆኖ የተወኳቸው ቦታዎች አሉ። ደት ከሆነ ሶ ፋር እስካሁን ባሉት ውስጥ ለእኔ አድካሚ ይሄኛው ነው። ለማንኛውም በሌላ ቪዲዮ እስክንገናኝ ይመቻችሁ። ጠዋት ላይ ተነስቼ ነው ማሳያችሁ። አሁን መሽቶ ስለነበረ እንትን ለማለት አይመችም። ሪዛልት here you go. This is it. እቺኛዋ ትንሽ እንዳትወድቅ መግፊያ ወደ ላይ እንትን ሰብሰብ ማድረግ አለብኝ። ኦልሬዲ ከዚህ በኋላ አንዳንዴ ነው እንጂ ብዙ ጊዜ ላልመጣ ይችላል። because I have made and other classes there እና ዝናብ ከጣለ ኦልሬዲ እዚህ ጋር ትንሽ እንኳን ከያዘ ገብቶ እንትን ለማለት እንዲመች ነው እቺኛዋ የተውኳት ደረጃ ነገሩ። ዋን ይሄኛው አፈር እታች ላይ በቆሎ ልንተክል ስለምንችል እንጠቀመው እንችላለን። ይሄ ለጊዜው ግን እዚሁ ይሁን። ይሄኛው አይገባም ብዬ ነው የተውኩት። ድንጋይ ያላረኩት ወደ ታች ስለሆነ ፍሎ የሚያደርገው እቺ ከፍ ስለምትል ቦታው